Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing well. So we have been in the channel called Winning Net, Win English Net, and this is my another channel which is called Comfort Zone, which is exclusively for soft skills. Here we are going to speak about soft skills. My students, those who are very glad to hear during my soft skills class, I really remember your faces, dears, especially MCA students and final year BTech students. When I was teaching, you were all eagerly waiting for the stories and for what the soft skills has been comfort your feels and thought. And now through this channels we are going to see about positive approach. Now when you see the pic, you can clearly see this is, I know, see what I am telling you is positive approach. I am not going to say that you should be always happy and you should see something and you have to make fresh something and all. No. That is all our mindset of being happy, sad day by day, and one cannot formulate oneself to be happy daily, and one cannot formulate yourself to be sad daily. That's up to our mindset, what we were experiencing on that day or that past, present, everything and all. I'm not going to give you any magic thing like you should be happy and you should see when you are sad you just go and deviate and go and do some slokas, chant some slokas, or talk to your friend. No, that diverts you, that's all. But your thoughts will be always in your mind. So being positive is up to you, free from the thoughts. So only I have given the baby photo here. You see, the baby is not happy, not sad, not crying. It is serene, it is calm, it is just like that seeing. This is what being positive. Without thinking anything which might be happy or something, or we should fulfill someone, or we should make someone impressive and all, we'll be thinking. No thing that now when you see this baby photo, it is just seeing. So with no mind, so you can find a bliss in the baby's face. Okay, so here we are going to see about the positive approach, guys. So through this vlog, I'm going to say you whatever I have studied positively from the stories and my life experiences and how you have to deal with everything and all. So this is exclusively for comforting your thoughts, not your thoughts, our thoughts. Of course, I am also one among you. These video series definitely help you, the viewers, to groom on soft skills. Folks, here I am not going to tell you something, some mantra and all. Here I am going to focus on self-motivation, self-grooming and self-improvement, because self plays a significant role. Self alone plays a significant role in our life. Guys, do you know, when self is low, it is inferiority complex. When self is moderate, it is positive and it is called optimistic. When self is high, it is superiority complex. When self is analyzed, it is self-esteem. Whereas when self is neutralized, it is self-realistic. And at the last but not the least, when self is realized, then it is called wisdom. So, guys, everything, every thought, every happening, every feel, every issue, every deal goes around self. So, self care, self groom is very important to lead our life positively. But looking positive at all the things at all time, never possible. Never, not at all possible. We are human beings. We are not the magic weird or something, or we are not like apart from the like angels or something. Like, we are human beings. We are here. This is reality. Whatever the happenings occurs day by day, definitely it bothers us. Okay, so it is never possible being positive at all the situation, but I can say it can be a continuous exercise. It is a food like. Being positive is a continuous exercise, and it is a food like, and according to me, it is a water. And for me, I say it is a respiration like. So I think, guys, you'll be asking me, because in my, I mean, in this, before that I'm telling that it is never possible always being positive, isn't it? But now I'm telling it is a continuous exercise. I think you can find a paradox here. No, when being positive only, we can deal with the next step. We cannot groan or moan or stay in one step itself. To move on the other step, definitely, very definitely, we should go positively. So only I am telling continuous exercise. It is a continuous exercise. It is a food like. It is a fuel like. It is a juice. So according to me, I am telling that it is a respiration. Okay, dears, let us meet in the next video about some with illustrations. I will explain you how to deal positively. Thank you, guys.